Today we are presenting ideas. Coming to the problem statement, many people have great ideas, but they lack in they have great problems. Like they lack in guidance. Many people will be having lots of startup ideas, but they keep facing key problems. So these key problems are they have no lack of guidance. They don't find team members and they can't find investors directly, and they don't have option to protect their ideas. That is IPR law. So we have come up with a solution. We have come up with a solution called Ideonics. It's an app which helps the entrepreneurs connect with each other, where they can develop their field business. And we even connect with the investors, where the investors will directly connect with the founder without any and we even provide patent support verification to protect the startup idea.
Yeah, can we have silence? Actually, that mic has issues. It has sound issues. I also observed.
So the key features of Ideonics is, the first one is idea posting. The investors and founders post their ideas in the Ideonics app so that the other investors and other founders can also use the ideas from there. The second key feature is idea verification. The idea verification is the investors who post their ideas in the Ideonics app. The app itself gets the ideas verified so the other investments can use the ideas. The third feature for the Ideonics is patent support. The ideas which are posted in the Ideonics app applied the patent support which has the ownership thing, so that no one else can have the ideas which the investors and founders are already posted in the Ideonics app. The fourth one is idea marketplace. In the idea marketplace, the investors and founders who post their ideas can sell and buy their ideas for the other use or the other investors and founders. The next one is investor connection. In the Ideonics app, there are many investors and also founders who can get connected to each other so that to buy and sell their ideas and to have a communication with the other ideas for themselves, for their own business. The last one is category-based community. There are several types of category-based communities in the Ideonics app, so that the investors can come and have a look on what category basis they are, which can they supply and make their profits in the business.
One second, Vidya, sorry to interrupt. I request the audience to please lower your volume while discussing because we cannot hear what the presenters are saying. You can discuss, but please keep it low within your groups.
Yeah, so next we are going with the idea verification. When it comes to the idea verification in our app, we have the experts review submitted ideas. So the experts in our app will review the ideas and also make it verified. So next is the feasibility and the market potential analysis. So here the experts will get to see if it's feasible, or they'll analyze according to the market if the idea can be verified. And the next is verified batch for credible ideas, helps investors identify promising opportunities. So here the investors will get the verification batch for which they will have an opportunity for fundings from the funders. Okay, so here the main thing is the idea marketplace. So when it comes to the idea marketplace, over here the users can buy or sell the innovative ideas. for some people who don't want to, place a patent, or they can just sell their ideas to the patent as they can sell it. And the entrepreneurs with limited resources can sell their ideas. So there will be few people who will have excellent ideas, but they will not have resources to make an outcome for the patent. So they can use this by selling their ideas. And also buyers can develop and launch the ideas. Over here, the buyers can also develop and launch their ideas. And this platform earns commission or transactions. Okay, so this, when it comes to the collaboration hub, we also have a collaboration where users can find partners and team members. If there's a single person who wants to have a patent, or he is looking for any kind of genuine partners, you can find it here. And also they can join projects or any kind of startups that will help them, improve their patents to a higher level. So connect with mentors and experts. So here, when if they seem to have like the idea is lacking, or if they want to improve their ideas, they can have mentorships from the experts. And also they can build strong entrepreneurial networks through our app.
So the idea just doesn't look over the business ideas, just also it helps the NGOs to get funds, and also the people who can help them out by volunteers and investors. And companies can use this as a CSR activity for themselves, so that they can invest in that and get some CSR done for the country. And people can also learn by working in the NGOs by social projects, so that they can get some experience on the market.
So the revenue model for this idea is premium memberships.
Can we just pause for a while? If you want, don't go. It's up to you. But can you hear? Again, we can do this. It will create curiosity. As you wish, ma'am. Yeah, please go on. Sorry.
The revenue model for this idea is premium memberships. The investors and the people who are pitching the ideas both can have a premium membership, so the ideas get a verification badge and they have better visibility. The idea verification service charges. The service charges will be taken from the investors, whoever invests the money also, and whoever is pitching the idea. Both sides, the investment charges will be applied for the platform fees. Idea marketplace commission. Basically the posting of ideas, and if the idea works on, even the app has a credit of taking credits from the idea and the business coming up by the platform. Patent assistance services. For people who are serious about the ideas and they want to patent their ideas, the app will guide them how to patent the ideas and even provide them the services to patent the ideas.
This app helps in innovation of entrepreneurship, so that they can grow in the market, and also we help in protecting their intellectual property rights, and investors get a new place to find their ideas where they can invest and make some money. It will be like a bridge for the investors and the entrepreneurs. Helps entrepreneurs find their own teammates which they couldn't find in their locality. This will create business opportunities and social impact for the country. The challenges or the weakness which the idea can have is such as protecting the ideas from theft or misuse of the idea. Ensuring the ideas are genuine and feasible is one of the major factors which we have to look at. Attracting investors to the platform so that they can invest is one more factor which we have to look at. Building trust and credibility of the app also is very important for us. And we are open for any questions and for thank you.
Actually, your idea is good. I have a few doubts. Okay, you are saying your idea can be patented, but patenting is not an easy task. So how you will help them to have a patent and then use
The idea is not used anywhere and it's not patent till today's date. We'll have a idea look on the patent websites and everything, have verification with the patent website that the idea is not used anywhere, and if it's not used, then we'll proceed with the patent process.
That's what I'm saying. Patenting is not an easy task. It will take a couple of months and then a couple of process that has to carry. So that is one doubt I have. And another thing is, who are your target customers?
Target customers are young investors who have money but has no idea, and people who have idea and who don't have money.
What if the young minds are not with the supportive system of network? Because your app works on the internet, right? Imagine there are a couple of people who are away from the network areas. So what is the alternative choice that you give them so that they can make use of your app?
Campaigns basically. So we can provide them with campaigning services which will make them used to the ideas, and we can basically everyone uses Instagram app, and this is the same way as Instagram but for the business thing. And even in rural areas, I think there is internet provided now, and school and normal schools and colleges in rural area also has internet connection, so we can collab with them. So even they have an explorer about the ideas going on this side.
I think you can use the same for the business plan competition. In any upcoming fest, you can use the same idea for the business plan, which will click. Just try.
Thank you.
Good.
Thank you.